other side of this divide will be talking. So I wish to welcome you to this historic groundbreaking ceremony for the establishment of Nyamira University College. And I want to tell you, we are not just breaking ground, rather we are planting a seed for the future. A seed of knowledge, opportunity, and transformative growth for this region and our nation and beyond. The journey to this moment has been one of partnership and perseverance. Our vision for a constituent university college in Nyamira County began with early dialogue and technical inspections, and we have come all the way with working with the community, the county government of Nyamira and its leadership, the Commission for University Education, and we want to say that we are committed to acting on the recommendations of the Commission for University Education to ensure that the institution that we are looking forward to establishing meets the highest standards from day one. We want to say that this university college is being established for a critical purpose because it represents a chance in expanding access to quality higher education. For the youth of Nyamira and the surrounding counties, it means that the dream of a university degree is now within closer reach right here at home. The initial 4 schools that we are planning to start here include the following: School of Education and Human Resource Development, School of Agriculture and Natural Resources Management, the School of Business and Economics, and School of Information Science and Technology are the ones that will start here, although as we said earlier, we'll also be thinking about shortly following that with the matters in health sciences. The success of this institution depends on more than just buildings and curricula, because it hinges on its integration into the fabric of this community. I'm saying that as we welcome the first cohort of students, by the grace of God, in September next year, our dream is that we will not just be bringing students to Nyamira, rather we'll be welcoming new members into the community of Kiawanyaru and Nyamira. In this light, we want to highlight the vital role that you, the community, will play. We call upon you to be the guardians of our students' welfare. We will need you to provide a safe, welcoming, and supportive environment for them to live and learn. And the key part of this is the provision of safe and affordable accommodation facilities. Njiba tumekana sawa na university kumuranche bali muragaiga mwaga chira wana kinyumba sawa ita okomba na inumanyo wala chibesa. So we are saying the development of a vital private hostel market around the university college will be essential for its growth and will also present significant economic opportunities for local entrepreneurs. This groundbreaking ceremony is a key milestone because it marks the tangible beginning of this vision. The turning of this soil signifies the forthcoming development of the critical infrastructure that will support our academic ambitions in terms of lecture halls, libraries, and all those that I've said. As an initial measure, Kisii University will support the college by seconding teaching staff and administrative staff to assist the university start running. And thereafter, you will recruit your own staff. Indeed, the minister will also be appointing a council that will run the university. But for 3 years, Kisii University will be sitting in council, at least the vice chancellor will be sitting there, but the senate that this university college will be answerable to will be the senate of Kisii University, because all that we will have here is an academic board. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to extend our deepest gratitude to the following 7 or so groups. 1, to the government of Kenya, held by His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, through the Ministries of Defense and Education, for their unwavering approval and support of this project. Number 2, we want to say thank you to the county government of Nyamira for your partnership and commitment to improving local infrastructure and creating an enabling environment for education that has been instrumental in turning this vision into reality. The third group that we want to thank is the Commission for University Education, because their steadfast and strict inspection is what will enable us to ensure that the university begins on a right footing where quality will not be compromised, and that graduates that will come out of here will be fit to work anywhere in the world. Number 4, I wish to thank the Kisii University Council and Senate for their visionary leadership and commitment to nurturing this new college until it achieves full university status. The Senate, as I've said, will oversee all academic matters. Number 5, we want to thank the people of Kiabanyoro and Nyamira County, the local leadership. We want to thank the principal, the board of management of Kiabanyoro High School, the entire community for their generous welcome at all times, even on occasions when we come here and we at times even don't appreciate their presence. And finally, I want to thank you all, in particular, starting with our chief guest, the CS Defense, Honorable Soipan Tuya, for this honor in leading this exercise. And we are sure when the defense arm of the government takes care of our program, we are sure it will be delivered in a timely fashion and the quality will be high as expected. Thank you. And we also want to thank our mother ministry, our parent ministry, led by our CS, Julius Ogamba, for everything that has been going on. Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, a university ya mwanyoro ya tioka girega komuranche nani ngwira ngoba saba komuranche abana bali serikali yo chakalentaga from the word go to wabwate to enshinga to wa embracery elinde no ne kera wa soka bugiso wa kera university nenya wono yeye tega kankenga omwana university tabwati abana eiteri university ranyal ko gendo to tabwati ti abana tubalenta mu ngana abana baitu elinde baba soka wa de abana university ali ko kana ke Nyamira twenso gendo elinde abana bache baicholega elinde biasa bimente amangana ndo sia goro asao yumbi amono.
Thank you so much. May I now, Coffee Prof.
May I now take this opportunity to invite the Chair of Council of Kisii University, Dr. Sarah Ruto, to give her remarks. Mpigie makofi anapokuja. Endra kumwagira chingo baka ikega kumura anchege endra kumwagira.
Mpigieni makofi, mpigieni makofi.